Welcome back to Auto Care. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Scania Camper Motorhome, a bold and futuristic take on long-distance luxury travel. Scania has always been known for its heavy-duty trucks and buses, but with this camper, they've taken their engineering expertise and combined it with premium comfort to create a motorhome that feels more like a five-star hotel on wheels. At first glance, the exterior design immediately makes a statement. The front fascia is inspired by Scania's signature truck design but refined with a sleek aerodynamic profile. LED matrix headlights with adaptive beam control give it a high-tech and modern look, while the sculpted body lines and smooth curves reduce drag and improve efficiency on long highway journeys. The camper sits on a reinforced chassis that provides both durability and stability, a clear nod to Scania's trucking DNA. Under the hood, the 2026 Scania Camper offers two powertrain options. First is a next-generation diesel hybrid system, which combines a turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel engine with an advanced electric motor to deliver impressive torque while reducing emissions. Second is a fully electric variant, powered by Scania's latest battery technology, capable of delivering up to 400 miles of range on a single charge. For travelers who cover vast distances, the hybrid is the practical choice, while the electric version caters to those looking for an eco-friendly and quiet ride. Performance-wise, this motorhome handles remarkably well for its size. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, the ride is smooth even on uneven terrain, and advanced stability control keeps the camper steady through corners. It also features regenerative braking in both versions, adding efficiency while extending range. Highway cruising is effortless, with a semi-autonomous driving system that can manage lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and even automated parking for tight camping spots. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a modern apartment than a motorhome. Scania has maximized space with a smart floor plan. The living area features modular seating with premium leather upholstery, a dining space that transforms into an additional sleeping area, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Smart dimmable lighting and climate control systems create a customizable atmosphere, whether you're parked at a campsite or on the move. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee system. Countertops are crafted from lightweight composite stone, giving a luxurious feel without adding extra weight. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated throughout, making it easy to bring everything you need for long journeys. In the rear, the master bedroom is designed for ultimate comfort, a full queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, adjustable reading lights, and built-in USB-C ports ensures restful nights. The bedroom also includes a smart entertainment system with a foldable OLED display, allowing you to watch movies or stream content anywhere. The washroom features a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and eco-efficient water recycling technology, ensuring comfort without compromising sustainability. Tech integration is another area where the Scania camper shines. A central touchscreen hub controls everything from navigation and entertainment to climate and lighting. Voice commands and smartphone connectivity allow for seamless operation, while the onboard AI assistant suggests optimal routes, nearby campgrounds, and even energy-efficient driving tips. The motorhome also comes with satellite internet and 5G connectivity, keeping you online no matter how remote the location. One of the unique selling points of the 2026 Scania Camper is its modular exterior system. It offers expandable side panels that extend the living space when parked, almost like slide-out walls in luxury RVs. An integrated solar panel roof provides additional charging support, making it ideal for off-grid adventures. And with built-in outdoor kitchens, retractable awnings, and a smart energy management system, it truly caters to the needs of modern explorers. Pricing is expected to start at around $320,000 for the hybrid model and climb higher for the fully electric version with extended range and premium options. While it's a significant investment, the value comes in the combination of durability, luxury, and advanced technology that Scania brings to the table. In conclusion, the 2026 Scania Camper Motorhome represents the future of long-distance travel. It blends rugged truck engineering with top-tier comfort, sustainability, and smart features, making it perfect for adventurers, families, and even digital nomads who want to take their lifestyle on the road. Scania has proven that they can move beyond trucks and buses into the world of luxury campers, and this model is set to make waves in the motorhome industry.